Much better fish. Ooh, boys. Unit. Howdy doodle, you dirty heifers. Today we're going to hit the creek for a little bit. I eventually planning on making a kayaking video down here where we're going to go out, we're going to camp, kayak, we'll be gone for like 2 days. It's like a little weekend trip. I just got off work today, so it's like, I don't know, it's just after 5 o'clock. So we're going to get out here and fish as much as we can. We're going to be bouncing around some Ned rigs, hopefully catch some smallies. But I'll see you guys at the creek here in just a minute. Toodle! Boom! We made it to the creek. So, we're going to, well, let me restart real quick. There's a lot of people by the bridge, and I'm still not completely used to talking to a camera, so we skipped that part. But the bridge is down there. That direction. Anyway, I didn't really want to talk in front of a bunch of people. People think I'm crazy sitting here talking to a camera, but that's alright. We've made it down to the first little hole. I'm going to get you put on the chest camera and we'll start doing some casting. Before I actually start fishing, I wanted to show you guys what we're throwing today. I think this is an 1/8 ounce little Ned rig hook and then like a green pumpkin Ned rig. But anyhow, there she be. So we'll get out there and start doing a little fishing. Fish. Oh, feels like a good one. Loosen up it. We got a little smallie. Oh yeah. Not a big guy, but we'll take him. He'll stay on here. Oh yeah. Well, hooked him good. Go. Nice little smallie. Start the day. Well, day's almost over, but this is starting our day. Splash me good. Alright. 10,000 names for him. Right back in there though. There's something. Oh yeah, we got him. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Rock bass? I don't know, y'all let me know. Red-eye rock bass? Not sure. Get him unhooked real quick. Back in the water. There we are. Good looking little guy. Off it goes. Alright, we've arrived here at our next little spot. It's really shallow on this side, but over here there's like a deep little hole. And there's a log that goes right through there. Through there. But, I don't know, you probably can't see it on the camera, but right here is like a little ridge. This isn't the big hole I was talking about. This is a smaller one, but I always hit it because I see little bass on it all the time. But I feel like something big could be sitting in there. I don't know. I always hit it, and I never really catch anything good out of it, but I guess it's better to try than not. We'll see. I don't know, though. Ooh. Ooh. First cast. What is that? That's another one of those rock bass. He's a good sized one, though. Much bigger than the last one. I mean, just as soon as it fell down in there, he was sitting there. Try not to stick ourselves. Oop, easy. Good looking guy. Alright, I'll let him go. I'm hoping there's a Smallie sitting down in there. Toodles. Alrighty. I mean, just as soon as that fell down there, he grabbed it. Not the species we're after, though. There's another fish. That is a little... What are you? Oh, a little largy spot? I don't know. I can't never tell the difference, to be honest with you. That looks like a little largy. Look how fat. Shoo-wee. What's he got in his mouth? Look, he's got a frog leg in his mouth. Hold up. He's been eating frogs. He's got a frog foot in his mouth. Can y'all see that? Hold on. Yeah. That's wild. Chunky guy, too. Little guy, but chunky. Shoo-wee. Aggressive, apparently. Alright. Get him out of here. Little pull and fix. There we go. Alright, back in the little hole we go. Don't clip that. Cast over there this time a little bit. Sinking, sinking. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, you got some pull to him. That's another one of them rock bass. Look there. I don't know if people eat these. I don't know what they do, but there's another one. Another good looking one. If you're ever out creek fishing, by the way, you see these little logs, they'll kind of just wash up, but 8 out of 10 times I swear there's a snake sitting on them. So avoid those. Here's your educational tip for the day. Alright guys, here we are. We're coming up on the big hole here. We'll fish this little edge a little bit, but I rarely catch anything off of it. We might catch something. Sorry, something caught my eye over there, but... Oh, what is that? I don't know, something just took off running and dove in the water. I have no idea what that was. You might be able to see the dust up there, kinda. I don't know. Anywho's. Oh boy. That's a rough start. So there's a really, really deep hole right up in front of us where we're headed. That's where I've caught some big smallies in the past. But I like to fish this little point just in case. Just in case. If we got time, not a lot. We'll see how it goes. Oh, Ned rig by far is my favorite creek bait, by the way. Just so everybody's aware. Rooster tail, great, love them. If that's your thing, use it. But the Ned rig does them dirty for me. Shit, I just threw that thing behind me. That's talent. Slid off my finger. I wonder what he was doing up there. Hopefully this looks decent enough. I don't know, I can't tell. Hopefully the glare ain't too awful bad. Oh, he had a fish. I wonder what he was doing up there. This just piqued my curiosity. Ignore my squeaky flip-flops, please. Let's see here. This looks like somebody got stuck. This is where he was digging. But I don't know. I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think. He's dug like a trench through here. And right here. Anyway, this is the deep hole that he went and swam off into. So we're going to step down here and fish a while. There's the fish. Ooh, spit it. That's half the fun, I guess, but he spit it. Mm-hmm. There's a fish that just blew up on the bank down there. It's crazy that that fish earlier had a frog in its mouth. But, try to cast away on down there and see. That fish will eat. I did get snagged down here earlier, didn't I? Yeah, sure did. That one ain't a snag, though, it's a fish. Oh yeah, he ate. Oh, good fish too. Try to keep him down. Oh yeah. Much better fish. Ooh, boys. Unit. For a creek. I don't care what anybody says. That is a creek unit. Please don't come off there. Ooh, stay down. Steal this way just a little bit. I can't get him in. Stay on there, buddy. He is not a happy camper, but good fish. Oh, maybe. Maybe. I don't even care if I get the reel wet at this point. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Ooh, cold. Easy. Yes. Creek units, let me tell you. They just hit different, man. Got the rod soaked, but that's fine. It's a little bit bloody on the side of his mouth. There we go. Alright. Let him sit in the water real quick. For creek fish, these are fantastic fish if I catch. They fight so hard. The tail, not even beat up a little bit. There. Gorgeous. This is why we come out here, man. I don't know why he's bloody on this side. I didn't hook him on that side. Somebody else might have caught him, but it's another reason we put him back. So somebody else can catch him. Lovely fish. Not beat up. I mean, he's just like perfect. Gorgeous. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Ooh. Makes the day worth it. He caught it out too. I seen one blow up down there. I also bent my hook, so there's that. We're gonna retie real quick. Good. It's kind of weird too. It goes over here. It's fairly deep-ish, and then it drops super far off, and then just like ramps right back up. So we'll try to fish these little rocks over here. I usually don't catch much on them, but I know if I actually had subscribers, somebody would probably say, fish those rocks. So we're going to. It's one of those little rock. Nope. Yep, one of those little rock bass. Big one, actually. Shoo wee. Unit of a rock bass. Told you I didn't deserve to catch a 5th one, okay? My Mike Tyson lisp just happened. A 5th. Didn't deserve to catch a 5th. Alrighty. There's a 5th. Better 5th. Oh, Smalley. Now look there. See? Right after I say, I won't catch a fish over there. Smalley. Not a bad Smalley either. Actually a pretty good one. Not bad at all. They just fight so hard. Let's run him up to the bank. Easy, easy, easy. Don't hurt yourself now. Nope. Absolutely gorgeous. Another really good quality Smalley. You gotta remember, these are creek fish too. There you can kind of see the patterns in them a little better, I guess. Sun's not hitting them as bad. Yeah. Alrighty. Try to get a better angle over here. Just to take those rocks again. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh, I think I missed that. Don't know. Maybe not. There's like 4 fish with him. There. 3. I don't know. Can't count. Is that a Smalley with them? Oh boy. Nah, those are the same. Good fish. Mm-hmm. Oh, I thought it popped out. It did basically pop out. Another solid one. Absolutely gorgeous. These creek fish are just on a different level. They're so pretty. Fat. Oh yeah. Gorgeous. Alright. I also said earlier that I was going to catch like 2 more fish and leave, but it's just not working out that way. Another one. A smaller one. Another really good fish. It's just hard to leave them. Pretty. Got a weird little deformity in his back. Don't know what that is, but kind of looks funky right there. Probably can't tell on camera. Good looking little guy though. Here's a dead something or another. I'd imagine that's a cow skull. But we're easing back to the truck. We're gonna head that direction. Gotta fix this Ned rig because it looks stupid. Look at that thing. Oh, you got a bend in him somehow. But these ones are kind of hard to fix because you got to really pull on them. Maybe that's why he looks stupid. He's hooked in his own butt. It's a little better. Humpback. Alright. We're obviously going to fish those same holes that we fished on the way in. Make sure we didn't miss anything. Sure we did. And then I'll go home and edit. I've also got to film an outro. I'm going to film an outro for this video because my last one looks stupid. I forgot to. I don't know what to tell you there, but now I will remember 47.2% of the time. Excuse me. Got a little nibble there. There's a fish. Ooh! Oh no, that was a good one. Oh no. Shoot. Alright. Try again. That's all we can do. This fish. Camera fish there, for sure. Hey, easy. Thanks. Come on, hook. There we go. Oh yeah. Pretty fish nonetheless. Toodles. Alrighty. Back at it. We're still heading toward the truck. And pretty impressed. We've caught a good bit of fish today. Caught some really good sized smallies. Caught a few good sized largemouth. Especially for the creek. Can't hate on the creek fish. Caught some hard fighters. But we gonna head back toward the truck. We still got that one more spot to fish. And then we're gonna call it a day. Hopefully there's nobody up here so I can film the outro. I've got to film the outro. If I don't do that, I'll forget. We're not that far away from the truck anymore though. There's fish. Oh yeah. Oh, a little smiley. Not a bad looking one. Not a big one. That's alright. Still really pretty. Let you go, little guy. Toodles. Spooked him off the bank. There's bass right here beside me. Oh, he's sitting right in here somewhere. There it is right there. Oh, boys. Oh! What in the world? Gosh, dang it. Right as soon as I thought, oh, it's a little dinky bass. First strip and drag. Oh my God. All right. Speechless. I do not believe that just happened. That's alright. We caught some good fish today. It is okay. Probably another decent one sitting in here or by the bridge. And it don't look like anybody's at the bridge anymore. So we'll actually be able to fish up there a little bit without me thinking I'm an idiot sitting there talking to myself. Hopefully there's another decent fish sitting in this hole. I've caught some good fish out of this hole. Water's down real low tonight. Oh my God. Little anchor. Tiny little rock bass. For some time of the year, you can come up here and catch tons of smallies. We're trying to push up past that bridge to go upstream and spawn. They'll just sit here. It's pretty wild. Free, but I will coming after. Another rock bass. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna roll out. Alrighty, well that's gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what you thought about it. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Toodles!